Good evening, sir. I am Kenriver Pila, and my title for this experiment is the difference of the speed which the water boils when sugar is mixed in the water. The materials that will be used for this experiment is sugar, a large pan, stove, and a teaspoon. So the first step of this experiment would be get the large pan and put some water in it at a certain amount so that it wouldn't affect the time which it boils. Uh, I put 5 teaspoons of sugar in the water and I mixed it thoroughly until the water becomes brown, and yeah, after mixing it and when it becomes brown, I put it in the stove and heat it, and that's it. As you can see, the water with sugar is boiled in about 17 minutes. This is because adding sugar to water causes the water to boil at much higher temperatures. This is because the water molecules near the surface pop around when the water is about to boil. They get kicked and pushed by the nearby jiggling molecules into the air. The air molecules right above knock them back. Water boils only when enough surface molecules have enough energy to actually zap past the air molecules that are directly above water surface. When we add sugar to water, the sugar molecules accompany the jiggling water molecules, so water molecules have a small chance of getting kicked by a neighbor hard enough to be able to escape. As the sugar molecules are very weak, so few water molecules get past the air molecules, and it takes longer for water to boil. And now let's move on to the plain water. And this is the procedure. You put water in the stove in the exact amount which we used with the water with the sugar. You put it in the stove and heat it at the same temperature as the last one and wait for it to boil. As you can see, the pot with only water boiled at around 10.5 minutes. This is because without the sugar molecules, it is easier for the water molecules to enter the gas phase, because as the water molecules are already trying to escape, having no solute to attract the water molecules, it is way easier for the water molecules to enter the gas phase.